So go to scroll down. Yani, this is your accounting module. Please scroll down. Scroll down. Yani. Okay. Go to chart of accounts. Yeah, yeah. Go to chart of accounts. Do you see chart of accounts? Yeah. You see, this is the list. This is the list of chart of accounts. Every god has a list. For example, you are going to create a sale invoice. Sale invoice is, list is going to be the same as account list. You see, the GL account is called account on the top left. The title is appearing account. So you are here in accounting module. There is a path. You see the home button and the accounting module, and then the account. This is the path where you are standing in the system. And then the list is open for you. And do you see the filters and the sorting criteria? Do you see these standard filters? These are standard filters, yes. Like company, like no, on the top, middle, and the top, middle, in the middle. I think I'll share my screen because it looks like you have difficulty to understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, 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 you're right, Joel. I'll talk about my screen. I'll share. Do you see my screen? You stop. Click here, yeah, Joel. Click here and stop present like this. Yeah. Do you see? Stop presenting. So now I'll share my screen and you will see it. You just click open. You just stay in the meeting tab, Google Meeting tab, and you will see my screen. Do you see my screen? So you see here in accounting, I was talking about that. This is chart of accounts here. You can also find it here. And if you just find, for instance, for easy access, you can just search it here and you can just reach it. You know. So you see, if you click like this, the system will take you to the tree view. Everything has most of the master records have tree view. So you can go to the list. If you here you was standing in for the last time. This was where you was. You were in. So this is the home button. This is accounting module, accounting list, chart of account list. You see, you have 86 default chart account GL accounts already created in the system, and those are listed here in a listed fashion. On the first page, you see 20 records only, but if you want all of those open, since I have only 86, obviously if I click on 100, so all those 86 are open. You understand, Ian? So yeah, yeah. This is just a list, yani. And this list, because this is your database, this is a list. You can filter them by using these standard filters. And yeah, it's okay now. Uh, yeah, you click, you are here, you just click on the double click on the screen and it will be big here. Double click. So I don't know, or maybe I'll share my screen again. Just so it's not telling. Yeah, do you see now better? No, how big? Is this not the full page? Because you are just watching it in there. Can you share your screen? I'll show you what to do. Share your screen. Share your screen. I'll show you how to do it. Go to system. In the next tab, the tab is already open here. In the next tab. Go to the Chrome tab. Its system is already open. ERP is already open in the voila. So I can see your screen clearly. Yani. The same way I'm presenting. Yani. And if I click, even if I click side, how to see the page, the full to the full page. Full screen. Yeah, okay, okay, I understand. I stop sharing your screen. I'll show you what to do. So Joel, you know, you have to go in here. You see, you see, you go here and click full screen. You see here. Eh, go to Google Meeting, yani go Google Meeting, Baba. Go, please, please. Yeah, no problem. Joel, go to Google Meeting tab. Do you see my cursor? Do you see my cursor? Here. Do you see it? Click here and click here. Full screen. Now it is okay now. It is better than before, yani. Allah, Joel, please tell me. It's okay now. Show me then. Do you see it now, any? Hello? Wait, Joel, do you see my screen? Is it? It's not full screen. So, I mean, do you have a problem in reading all these lines? Okay, okay. Well, let's continue. Yeah. So you see, I was talking. Uh-uh. Okay, okay. Let's continue, please. So I was talking about, yani, this is the home button and then accounting module and account list, and this is the list view. Yani. And that is how you can turn the list view as a tree view. You see, the chart of accounts looks like this in a tree view, and then you have to go in here and you press it here to reach it to the list view. You see, it is a list. Yani. You can push this button to create a new record from here, but it is better to work with the chart of counts in a tree view because it is more easy and more interactive to work with. For example, let's say you see, you were saying I want only the assets to be named as current asset and fixed asset only. You don't want this investment thing and this temporary account. You're right, yani? So you just kill it, yani. If you don't want it, just delete it. You see. And this is a parent account. There is no child account like this underneath. Underneath this is investment account. You see, if I open, and you see, if I'm opening it, it is open. And you see here, you see here, it is like a folder here. So you can delete it here. I am going to delete because you do not need it here. So you see, this is how I delete it. So this account is going to be deleted because you see, it is no more needed. So now you want only the parent account here underneath that sub-parent account for current assets, and then current assets are also segregated for further definition for further parenting. But you know, you should keep in mind that this child account is the one which you are going to use for entry and for the training. You're right. And so and how you are going to work with this thing to make it look like yours. You see, I just deleted one of it the way you wanted. It was investment was here. I just deleted it. You know how to delete it. I cannot delete this parent account because there is child underneath it. For example, if I'm going to delete it, system is going to tell me that there is an account underneath it. You have to deal with it first. So what we are going to do, for example, let's clean this current asset side. So you see, mainly you have cash or banks or some other accounts which you want. If you want to parent, you can make a segregation like this. But if you don't want, it's up to you. You can just clean it. For example, I don't want this security in the deposit, but you see there is earnest money underneath it. And if I'm going to clean it and delete it, system will not allow me because I have to delete first the child one and then the parent one. And then you see the child is deleted. Now the parent is remaining. You have to delete the parent. You see, like this. So how I'm going to add up something like yours, and you send me your chart of accounts. Let's continue with the chart of accounts. You see, you send me your chart of accounts, Jenny. This one, you see, for current asset, you see, you are saying for current asset, I want all these things. This is right, Jenny. Cash in bank, cash in hand, the project receivables. Let's create all of them one by one, so you will understand how you can do it. So I'll go to the system, and you see, uh, you do not need, you don't want to keep the parent one. You just want a single cash in hand as a child account. So maybe do you want a grouping like this, or do you just want a cash in hand as a child? Uh, Parent or cash only one line. That's okay. That's right, Jenny. You want a parent as a cash. So you see, you click here and you add it. You add it, and then you reach in here in the account form, where you can click in here to update the account name and number. You understand? Cash. So just update. So this name is, you see the name is updated. Title of the account comes here. This is the path where you are standing, and this is the name of the form which you have opened. So you can just click in here to go back to your chart of accounts. So you see now current assets. You see the cash. Now you have cash, and you want like uh, cash in bank. So you see. Now it means then you do not need this thing. This one. It's okay. It looks good now. Let's go to yeah, you're right. Yeah. So let's create this one. Project receivables. So you see, this project receivable is going to be account receivables, and that has to be here. You see, in the ERP, it is one receivable control account. It caters all kind of customers, and you do not need to create receivables for each of the customers in the chart of accounts. You understand? You do not need to create receivables for each of the customers in your chart of accounts. Only one receivable account will handle all of your customers, and you will get each individual report for each ledger for customer. Different ledger for each customer, but even though you are working with only one ledger, any one control ledger will handle all your customers. Obviously, I will train you how to record it. There are two things. One is recording and one is reporting. I'll train you how to record it, and then I'll show you how it looks like on the report. So you understand? In the ERP, you have to work with the forms where you have to input data That is called recording. And that recording will bring and populate the report. Populates the report automatically, and then reporting phase will come, and I'll show you the reports then. Separate ledger for each customer. So this thing, this thing is going to serve these two these two at once, but better to name it like project receivables and other receivables. Let's just rename this thing as project receivable. So you have to go to edit, and you have to do it. Okay. Project receivable.
वो बात करने लगा उसको उसको एक मिनट बोला था तो मैं उसका मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप क्या चाह रहे हैं
It is automatic.
आई थिंक उनको चाह रहे हैं तो और ये कह रहे हैं जाने की डिडक्शन आपकी वो या वाटर हो या आप दे हो या
So you see, we were here. You see the project receivers. Now other receivers. I'm going to create other receivable underneath account receivable, like the project receivable. So the new number is going to be 1320. So you see, this is a child account. So you have to go to parent, click on the parent, and add a child. You understand? You see, this is a child, and this is a parent. So you have to click on the, if you click here on the child, you will not see add a child. You have to click on the parent to add a child. So you click here in the new form will open, just name it other receivers. And 1320 name. And then receivable type. You see because I can see it 1310 was the last number. I'll show you. I was already here. I was already here, and I just started from here. So I can see what was the last number. So you see other receivables, and you have to go in here. This thing is the main thing for each account type. This is where you tell system how it should be handled. Then system understand that what type of exact account is this. Either it is the all 5 elements of accounting are defined here. I'll talk. You see the contra asset account, accumulated depreciation account, current asset, prepaid, main cost of goods sold account, current asset, current liability, depreciation expense account. You see, and direct income, or either you see the equity account, other than cost of goods sold. Yeah. Expense account is other than cost of goods sold. Fixed asset, income, direct liability, and pay. You see these two accounts, and any GL account which you name it or you tag it with these two types, you must have to define the party with it as well. For example, you just created other receivables as a receivable account. So always, whenever you are going to work with these type of accounts, system is going to ask you the party name. For example, I'll give you example. You see, you have just record other receivables, create other receivable GL account as a receivable, You see, other receivable as a receivable type. So let's go and create a journal entry. JV. I'll go to accounting module. You see, you can go like this. You click here. You will go to accounting module, and you see this is the JV. So now this is the same list. You see, there is no record here, but the list view is same in all across the ERP. So you see, I create a new record. You see where I am home button, accounting module, general entry form, a new record is being created. So you see, these are the types of the JVs. You can just pick and choose anyone. I am going to just pick it as a JV. let's continue, start working with the other receivables. You see the account which I just created. You see other receivables. You see, as soon as I pull it up, system is asking me name a customer. I do not have any customer in system. You understand? You see, if you name this particular account as a account, having account type as receivable, system will ask you these two things. And if not payable or receivables, then it will not ask. For example, let's say cash. So you see, system will not ask you anything. You just work with anything here. You see, you understand this thing? These two differences. So there, you see, and that is how you can, for example, let's just record one transaction. So you see, I have to name a customer here. Even though I do not find a customer, but I have a right, I have access, so I can create a new customer. So just name a customer here. Just name any customer. Abdul is a person or what? Company or individual? You can name a proper company name like what? Or along. Or Lodge project. Our Lodge is an area in Dubai. Yeah. Okay. So you see, Horror Lodge is my customer, which I'm going to put as a receivable. Let's say I need 100 dirhams receivables, and let's say my income account is going to be hitting sales or maybe service income. Service income account. You see, one is asset account and four is income account. हाँ. So I just save it, you see, and the document number is generated. Yeah, you are right, Yani. The accounting impact is like invoice, but I'm just creating a JV to show you how this JV is being recorded, how general ledger accounts are going to be pulling up in general JV form, and what are the forms, Yani? What are the forms, and how does a list view look like? You see, this is the JV list view is the same as the accounting chart of account list view, and you see, you can open a record like this. Your record is here, and as soon as you fill the mandatory fields and you press the save button, it goes into draft mode. A document number is generated. You understand? No, 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 that is wrong. That is wrong. That is not the prescribed accounting principle. Yeah, I'm just I'm just showing you how to navigate in the system first. In any regard, I'm not training you how to create invoice, or I'm not training you how to create a JV. I'm just training you how to navigate in the system and what are the basic elements in the system. I'm particularly talking about how does a list view look like. This is the list view. As soon as you create a record will fall like this, and it has a status. So still it is in draft mode. You have to submit it. Submit is like a final button. So you just have to confirm, and then only system is going to this record is going to be called as it is posted completed record. You see, it looks like this, and now you can open it up, and it will show you what this is. This has hit in the general ledger, because the same thing, the same thing is going to be hitting the general ledger, because it is a JV and you are directly working with the general ledger. You see, this is a report here. This is general ledger report. You see, these are the filters. Already my voucher filter is applied because I am rerouting through a voucher directly into the report of general ledger. This button will come only as soon as you submit the record, you complete a particular record. Then the system will offer you a button, a view button to look into it, that what has happened in the backdrop in accounting ledger or maybe in item ledger. You know, stock ledger and general ledger. There are two reporting dimensions. One is called accounting ledger, which is any general ledger, and the other one is called stock ledger, any item ledger. You understand this thing? So I'll go back to the chart of accounts. Let's continue working with the chart of accounts. So if I ask you, I want you to do it, the rest of the stuff, so that otherwise, you will other. If I just leave you here, you will find difficulty to navigate. So let's please share your screen, and I will guide you how to do it. Share your screen, please. Yeah, it's okay. I can see your screen. Go to the system. You see, go to the list tree view. Tree view. How do you go to tree view from here? Do you see the list view button on top? Do you see list view button on top right? Top right. List view button. Joel, list view button on top right. Tree view. Tree view. Tree view. Tree view. You see, this is open this. Click on it. Click on assets. Click on current assets. Click on cash and receive. You see, you understand this is where I was working. You know how to navigate into chart of accounts. So go back to the list view. On the right side, three dots on the right side, right. List. View list. You see here list. This is the list. Go back to the preview. List view. List view. Preview. You understand anything? If you want to open preview, you see the expand all and collapse all buttons. Expand. Expand all and collapse all buttons. Collapse all. Click on collapse all. Expand all. You understand what is happening? It opens everything. And then if you collapse all, it will bring you back on the main parent ones. We just make a JV, and it is appearing in your chart of accounts. So go back to the list view. You see here you have how many records here? How many accounts in chart of accounts? 84. On the top, 20 of 84. Total records are 84. On the first page, it is just open 20 records. Scroll down. Open load. No, just click. Go down. On the left side, down. Pages 100, 500. How many records you want to load? You understand? So you click here and you scroll down. Now 84 are loaded because you click on 2500. But you only have 84. Scroll up. So this is all of your chart of account list. How you are going to only see belongs to asset accounts? How do you want to see? How you can filter them? You just want to see. You just only want to see the asset accounts. No filters. The standard filters. Use standard filters. The report. This is the advanced filter. Standard filters are in the middle layer. Here in the middle. Do you see the report type filter on the left side? Do you see the report type filter? I'll share my screen. You see, you have difficulty with the navigation because it is your first time. So I have to show you again by sharing my screen. No problem, it happens because you're the first time. So just go to Google Meeting and see or have a look on my screen. You see, you were here, and I was asking you to just go and click here. Do you see the report type filter? You see, this is your list here, and these are filters. These are standard filters, and these are advanced filters. And this is the sorting criteria. You see, ascending and descending. You see, ascending and descending. Sorting criteria based on what? Based on either the creation date or account name or number or whatever. You see, and this is the sorting. Any filtering and sorting criteria are on top of the list view. This is the list view. Here you have standard filters, you have advanced filters, and this is the sorting criteria. And you see, you are here in the chart of account list. How you are going to filter them out? That you want to be seen the asset accounts. You see, so you click here, and you will only see the asset accounts. So 26 are the ones out of 84 are only belongs to asset side. You understand? This is how you can filter it. For example, if you come here and you don't find your record, maybe there's a chance you have already applied a filter. So if you don't see your records, I'll go to the JV and I'll show you this thing in a better view. For example, this is the JV I just created. You remember this JV? You click here and you will go to the list of this JV list. You see? Now, if I come here and if you see, it was a type of a JV. If I filter the cash entry, you see, I don't see my own record. And now, if you come here and you say, oh, Allah, I don't find my record because there is a filter applied to it. So, how you are going to remove the filter? By clicking here. You click here and there is a standard filter. And if there is an advanced filter, it will be removed automatically. And you will see your records. You understand my point? How this filtering thing is working here in the left view. So now I'll go back to the chart. Yeah, no. So let's go back to the chart of accounts. Please share your screen. Stop replace stop resume, sorry. Now go to the system. Yeah, go to the preview. List view preview. Now insert. I'll go to your Excel. Can you open your Excel barrel? Can you open your chart of accounts in Excel which you sent me? Okay, I'll send. Do you want me to send you here, or do you want me to send you in your WhatsApp? Okay, just a minute. Yeah. I just sent on the group here. Check. Download it. So go to only select the current asset side. Go to the Excel. Just highlight the current assets. Okay. Save. Use the filter. Current assets only. You see, you have applied the filter on your Excel. This is what I was telling you in the ERP. How to use the filter. You understand? Yeah. So let's So let's go to loans. You see, we have established this thing till other receivables. Let's go to loan and advances for current assets. Let's go to create a loan and advances account under current assets. So go to the system. Go to the system and open the asset side. Assets. Under current assets. Under click on current assets. You see the loan and advances section. Click here. Click on it. You see you have employee advances as a child account. But go to your Excel. You want only one account as a loan and advances as a child account, not as a parent account. You see here you have a what do you say? Do you, okay, then go back to your Excel. Then go back to your Excel. Excel. Prepayments. Now we have to create prepayments. Go to system. Yeah, create. You have to create another child account under current assets. So you have to click on the current asset. Click on current, add a child, type prepayments. Prepayments. And account type as chargeable. Account type. Leave the number in. We will put the number later on, but account type as account. This group is no need because it is a child account. Chargeable. This is prepayment. That's it. And your currency, no need for currency because currency is there in the company as a dirhams. Automatic currency will come as a dirham. Create. So you see prepayments. Now go back to your Excel. As well as go back to system. You see stock assets is already there as an inventory 1400. Open this. You see, stock in hand is if you want to rename it, you can rename it as inventory. Click on a stock in hand. Stock. Click on stock in hand. Then we have the name code. You have all name added. Then we have the edit, Papa. Click on edit. Actions. Action. Update. Remove it and put the name inventory. Update. Then we have the performance. Go back to view. Click on view button. View. Chart of accounts. Assets. Current assets. Then we have you see stock assets. You see. So now delete these tax assets. Remove, delete this. Delete. Delete this. You see now your current asset section is the same way you have written us on Excel. Is this correct, Harry? So now open the fixed assets. Sorry? Go to Excel. Only one. Copy this security deposit and guarantees. Copy this. Go to system. Go to the first asset application of funds. Application. Click here. Add child. Add child. Non-current assets. You understand what you are doing? Is group is equal to yes. Checkbox. Parent account. Group type is asset. Asset. Create. That's it. That's it. No need. No need. No need. Create. Parent. Create. You see non-current asset. Click here. Add child. Paste. Paste. Follow paste. We have already copied. Ready? Oh, no. It is going to be a child, no, not a parent. You see you understand what does it mean as group? Parent or child. As group means parent or other child. Account type. Which account? Asset account or what account? Which account is this? No, which asset? Asset. Current asset. No, not current asset. Which type of account? What type is it? Put it current asset. Create name. So you see, all of your current asset section is now completed. Let this temporary accounts be there. Do not delete this temporary account. Because we are going to establish opening balances by using this particular account. Opening balances for you when you are going to go live. We will use this temporary accounts to just open, establish the balance, opening balance. So you understand how do we work with chart of accounts? So can you do it for fixed assets and the rest of the income and or expense? So let's open this. Let's open current assets. Click on current asset. So you see, by mistake, let's open bank account. Or better to open account receipt. Click on account receipt. You see, let's just assume that you have this bank. Let's just assume that other receivable is on the under a wrong parent. Let's just assume for 1 minute that you have created an account and other receivable is not under. Just click on other receivables. Edit, and you see you can change the parent account on the top left. Well, yeah, parent account. Do you see the parent account field? No, parent account field, please. Focus parent account. Do you see the parent account? This one. Remove this thing. Can you cross? Click on cross. X X. Click on X. Now you can pick and choose which parent underneath this account should be. Click here. You understand? The whole GL account is coming now. So now you can pick and choose which, let's say, other receivable has to be there under banks. Just choose banks. Bank. Choose bank. Choose save it. Save it. Save it. Go to view button. Chart of accounts. Open the current assets. Current assets. Banks. Banks. You see other receivable is under bank now. But it is wrong, obviously. It has to be there in particularly in account receivable underneath bank. Yes, yes. Do it now. Yeah. Show me how. You can do it. It's totally free, up to you. Just click on other receivables. And it should be other. It should be under other receivables. Remove this. Remove this. You can remove like this anything like a text. Other receivables. Type other account receivables. Save. You can type as well. You can find it like Google. Save it. View chart of accounts. So, voila, yani, Mr. Joel, do you like it? It's very easy, yani. Accounts receivable. So please clean your chart of accounts and delete whichever you don't want there to be. Well, nice to talk to you. Um, Mr. Joel, you're a nice guy. I want you to please don't mind me if I say something because it is it is online communication. I did not mean it the way you feel it. I did not really mean it. So, well, I'm sorry if you feel it. Let's meet. Let's meet again tomorrow. And but you, thank you, sir. Shukran, shukran, and we will continue the rest of your accounting training tomorrow as well. Shukran, shukran. Thank you.